guys, welcome to a new video about Wix Studio, and today I will show you how to add this carousel to your website without any code. So here is how to do it. Okay guys, open Wix Studio. Let's change the background color first. Now go to Add Elements. Click Layout Tools. And choose the repeater. Here we should change the display type to slider. Add as many items as you need. Resize the repeater. Click on one of the items and remove the background color. Now, click on Add Media and choose a background image. Since this is the repeater, the images will automatically appear in other items as well. So, click on one of the background images, scroll down and round the corners. Now, replace your background images. Great! When it's done, go to Add Elements and choose an image. Move it to your item. Resize it. And replace it with your splash elements. Align its center and replace the remaining images the same way. Now we need to add our juices. Go to Add Elements, choose an image and move it to the item. Resize it. Align its center and replace it with your juice image. Repeat the same steps with the remaining images. Let's add a button. Go to Add Elements, choose a button and move it to your item. Resize it. Here you can change your button's text and add a link. Let's customize our button. Round the corners. Set the opacity of the background color to 20. Add borders. And adjust the text. Okay, now replace the text in all buttons. Click on one of the items, scroll down and change Show to Hide Here, so our elements stay inside the item when animated. When our design is ready, it's time to move on to our animation. Go to Layers, click on Item, go to Animation and Effects, click Hover, change animated element to the splash elements. Choose the twist animation and adjust it. Click on Preview to check your animation. Okay, now let's add the next animation. Change animated element to your juice image. Choose the shrink animation and adjust the settings. And now we need to add an animation for our buttons as well. Change animated element to your button. Choose the move animation and adjust the settings. Change from current position to into current position. Adjust the other settings. And that's it. If you like my videos and don't want to miss new tutorials, click like and subscribe. You will find all the links and training resources in the description below. So, go to Wix Studio and let's create magic together.